Hello viewers, so we're at this new hotel, the Barcelo Benidorm Beach. I did a bit of it in July. Look, they've nearly finished it now. It looks a lot more finished now. I'm not sure if it's open. There's a table and chairs up there. No, they haven't opened it yet. You can see the beds in there. The workmen are just having an easy day, look. It's too hot, it's 30 degrees. So I'm doing a little video on the end of Poniente Beach coming up to Old Town. As you can see, there's lots of people on the beach. Look at that. It's a lovely day, so we're going to go through Benidorm Old Town and then go to Poniente Beach. So let's do it. Hello guys, so it's Johnny Vlogger in Poniente Beach, Benidorm, just past Old Town. Old Town's there. You got the white pigeon tree down there, and the harbour there. Nice sandy beach. So we're going to walk along here. We're going to try and set a new challenge today. We're going to try and walk right to the end. Yes, not halfway, but the whole way. Will I do it? I don't know. But I'll probably have to stop at least twice on the way, I think. We just saw the temperature, it said 39 degrees. I think the sign might be slightly 40, so I would probably say about 33, 34 is a rough guess. But it's certainly hot. So, look at these trees. There's a funny noise coming from it. What's that noise? There we go, Poniente Beach. Look at this bright yellow path. Got some toilets along here. Right. We're going to walk along here now. We've got H10 Porto Poniente. Yeah, that's a nice hotel. Hello, so we walked along a bit of Poniente Beach. Probably about a 20-minute walk so far. Come to Sprinter. I have filmed up along this bit before, so I'm now filming from here. And I'm going to film right down the other end. So let's go down the other end. Urbanisation El Olivar. Got all these big private blocks of flats, apartamentos. You've got the beach here. There's not many people here, it's less busy. It's much barer now. What a difference. Isn't it? The beach is emptied out, have you noticed? nice though, it's nice. I like it when it's not many people on the beach. Maybe we'll go down there in a minute. The sea looks a bit rougher here. So we got some bars here. San Remo Dalia Pizzeria Il Gusto. Billionaire glasses, sunglasses. Verdi green. Tortuga Beach. Look at that, it's all blue. So we are getting nearer the end of the beach. We're getting there. Another supermarket there. There's like an old brick wall there. That looks quite old. El Edificio El Greco. So we're getting near that Benidorm Palace building up there. It's like a shape of an M. We'll see it in a minute when we get near it. Solly Player. Barberia de Benidorm. Is that hairdressers? Looks like it. It's got a model of a hair. Big comb on his. Raffles. Yeah, so we come to the end of another bit. Armada Espanola. So we filmed that bit. Okay, thanks for watching this Poniente Beach video, part 1. I'll do a part 2, so look out for part 2. Click the like, subscribe button, Johnny Vlogger UK. See you in the next one. Bye for now.